Hello, I'm Oliver Stone, and here's a glimpse behind the scenes of Savages. The grow house was very important to establish the seriousness and the scientific approach to this business. It is an amazing set because of the legal restrictions of shooting medical marijuana, which is legal in California, but you can be sued everywhere for showing real marijuana in a film. We had to create synthetic marijuana. It's very hard to create that glow. There's a mist on good marijuana that you feel. There's a crystalline effect. It's really the THC. But I have to credit Thomas Voth, who is our production designer. He is a worker and a beast. He's there. He's hands-on. And Patrick Formé was our dope consultant, did a great job to work like a demon to make that synthetic marijuana. It could look phony otherwise. And we also have big close-ups of it, you know. He got that by a lot of experimentation. We went around to several grow houses in California, all different styles, low-end, medium-end, and certainly some high-end ones. You know, it's a burgeoning industry here, and it's a serious business. People can make serious money if they grow enough plants. But I can guarantee you that not 1 ounce of real grass is on that movie set.